Unlocking new possibilities with AI tools. Hello everybody, I'm Douglas, a guest lecturer from Tharaka Invention Academy. I have some really inspiring information to share with you now. So make yourself comfortable for the next few minutes, and let's immerse ourselves in content that will have a powerful impact on your lives and careers. Tharaka Invention Academy has numerous courses developed to help current and would-be inventors, innovators, and general problem solvers thrive and prosper in this new age by utilizing artificial intelligence to blast your way to success. My discussion today borrows heavily from Professor Singer's book, Innovate Now, Master AI for Creative Problem Solving. But before we dive in, I have a question for you. Have you ever created a special recipe that everyone loved? Maybe a unique sauce or a cookie with an unexpected ingredient? And did you ever wonder, can I protect this amazing creation? Well, that's what we're exploring today, how AI tools can help you patent food innovations. And yes, it is possible to patent food recipes under certain conditions. The Recipe Patent Challenge. Did you know that KFC's secret blend of herbs and spices is not actually patented? Instead, it's kept as a trade secret. But some food innovations are patented. For example, the Dippin' Dots ice cream process is patented. The inventor found a unique way to flash freeze ice cream into those tiny beads we love. That's not just a recipe, it's an innovation. Imagine being the person who gets money every time someone enjoys those little frozen dots. That could be you with your own food creation. The 4 keys to food patents. Now there are 4 things you need to know if you want to patent a food recipe. First, your recipe must be unique. Not just a little change like adding more sugar to cookies. It needs to be something that's never existed before. Second, it needs to be patentable, meaning it hasn't been shared publicly already. Once you post your recipe on social media or a blog, you can't patent it anymore. Third, it must be non-obvious, something that even professional chefs wouldn't easily think of. Adding cinnamon to apple pie? Too obvious. But creating a way to make ice cream that doesn't melt for an hour? Now that's non-obvious. Fourth, it must be practical, something people can actually make and use. A recipe that requires impossible to find ingredients or takes 100 hours to prepare probably won't qualify. But here's the challenge. Proving all this can be hard and expensive. That's where AI tools come in to save the day. Are there AI tools for food patenting? Let me share some exciting AI tools that can help with the patent process. First, we have patentable, an AI tool that helps draft patent applications. It uses your description of your food innovation and creates proper legal language that patent offices understand. It's like having a robot lawyer working for you. Next, there's Specifio. This amazing AI takes your technical description and turns it into a full patent draft with all the right sections and formats. It saves hours of expensive legal work. For searching existing patents, PatSnap uses AI to scan millions of patents to help you discover if someone already patented something similar to your food creation. It's like having a detective that never sleeps. And my personal favorite, Clarivate's AI tools can analyze your recipe and suggest how to make it more unique and patentable. It might say, try adding this unusual ingredient, or change your cooking method this way to make it truly novel. Did you know? A patent search without AI could take weeks. With AI, you can get results in hours. Here's a real-world example. Let me tell you about Maria, a student who created a special process for making chocolate that doesn't melt in hot weather, but still tastes creamy. She used PatSnap to search existing patents and found similar ideas, but nothing exactly like hers. Then she used patentable to help draft her application. The result? She's now waiting for her patent to be approved, and a chocolate company is already interested in her innovation. Without AI tools, Maria might have spent over $15,000 on patent lawyers. With AI, she cut that cost by more than half. Your turn to innovate. Now I have a question for you. What food problem would you like to solve? Maybe a way to make vegetables taste like candy, or a method to preserve food without refrigeration. Or perhaps a unique seasoning that makes healthy food irresistible. Whatever your idea, remember these AI tools can help you turn it into a patentable innovation. But don't wait too long. In the world of patents, being first matters. Remember, this book isn't just information. It's an invitation to a journey. A journey from food ideas to patented innovations. A journey where you'll learn to harness AI tools to enhance your natural creativity and problem-solving abilities. I'm excited to guide you on this path of discovery, and I can't wait to see the amazing food innovations you'll create. Because you are not just students. You are future innovators, inventors, and problem solvers who will shape our world for the better. Thank you for joining me today. Let's embrace this innovation journey together.
Thanks again for being part of Tharaka Invention Academy. Remember, today's lesson isn't the end. It's just a spark. Your next activity is waiting. Please dive in. Always be an active learner and apply what you've learned. Experiment boldly and don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you need help or inspiration, visit the Student Forum page or rewatch this video tutorial. I'll see you in the next session. Until then, keep imagining, keep building, and keep solving.